Welcome to the Agent Customization Workshop module, where you'll learn to transform a general-purpose Bash agent into a LangGraph CLI domain expert. In this module, you'll go beyond generic chat capabilities to purpose-built agents that truly excel at specific tasks. We'll start by exploring the Bash agent architecture, a React-based agent built on LangGraph with human-in-the-loop safety controls, command validation, and structured tool calling. You'll see firsthand where a general-purpose agent falls short when faced with specialized tasks, like executing bespoke CLI commands. Then we'll dive into synthetic data generation using NVIDIA NeMo Data Designer, crafting structured training examples using sampling-based and LLM-based columns that pair together natural language queries with correct CLI tool calls. The heart of this module is training your Bash agent with a group relative policy optimization, or GRPO, algorithm, powered by NemoGym's verifiable reward system. You'll fine-tune Nemotron Nano using Unsloth and LoRa adapters with a reward server that programmatically verifies whether your agent's outputs are actually correct. By the end, you'll deploy your customized agents with full human-in-the-loop controls, and you'll have a reusable pipeline for specializing agents to any domain. So let's get started and turn our general-purpose agents into specialized experts.